셋, 별.
Here's our package.
So thank you MGI Philippines. I now have another product. It's the MGI Multi Purpose ION generator. So let's just unbox this one. And it's very sealed upon delivery. Thank you Ate Charmaine for sa pag-aasikaso on making this happen or para ma-deliver siya as soon as possible sa bahay since may ubot sipon ngayon si Stephen. So let's just open this up and see what's inside. So ito you can scratch this and scan the QR code there so you will check its authenticity. And then let's open the box. This item is for 7,800 pesos. So, yan. And the item again is MGI Multi Purpose ION generator. So, ito meron siyang user manual that shows yung regarding to set the timer and yung blinking. I don't know what this is. In-check ang nakasulat. And then, ayan. Ayan na si MGI Multipurpose ION Generator. Ayan, maliit lang siya. Iniisip ko sana yung kukunin ko yung personal ion generator. Kaya lang, mas malaki kasi yung sakop nito. It can cleanse the air 2 meters from the item. Yung sa ano kasi, personal ion generator, parang yung sakop lang nung ulo nung may gamit. At least this, kahit pang bahay, pwede siya sa bahay, pwede sa kwarto or sa sasakyan. And kapag yun nga, pag gagawin mo siyang ikikwintas mo siya sa gagamit, kahit papano yung katabi, makaka-benefit din sa ion generator. Makaka-benefit sa clean ng air. So, and this is the charger. It's type C. Wala siyang kasamang port. Tapos ito, bumili rin ako nitong pouch kasi ilalagay ko siya dito para pag mag-i-school si Stephen, pwede niyang isuot lang. And kahit nandito lang sa loob ng bahay, kahit kahit saan, either sa bahay or playing outside, hayaan ko lang na suot niya to. As per the description, this can last for 144 hours of continuous use. And let me provide a brief konting reason or what's the use of negative ions in the air. It's improve air quality, clear the air of airborne allergens such as pollen, mold, spores, bacteria, and viruses. And besides that, it also clear the air of dust, pet danger, and cigarette smoke. Negative ion on the air also increase the flow of oxygen to the brain, resulting in higher alertness, decreased drowsiness, and more mental energy. It also produces biomechanical reaction that increase levels of the mood, chemical serotonin, and helping to elevate depression, relieve stress, and boost our daytime energy. It also make the air in the room healthier for people who to breathe, especially those suffering from allergies, asthma, and respiratory related ailments. Okay, ayan, susuotin mo yan sa school para hindi ka na sinisipon, di ba? Saka inuubo. Ayan. Naka-on na siya. Ayan. Magana siya. So that's it for this video. Thank you MGI for this great ion generator. And if you want to avail this guide, this is for 7,800. You can directly contact me at 0917-314-4369. Or you can also directly contact me on my page. I will indicate that in the description below. So that's it for this unboxing video, guys. Have a nice day. If you want to know more about MGI, please do share, subscribe to my channel, and contact me directly on my Facebook page. Have a nice day. Bye.